ka Chief of Culture UNESCO Delhi South Asian Regional Office ka Jinhi Han kla ong ba ka Jingkieng jiri hami khaya ba don hak than wa ka rikasi ki long shisha ki ba khamper tam hak perthei ki ba chna hi da ki ti riu klem ki tia ne ki machine ka Junhi ka simta hak jinya thirwan pha ya ki Jingkieng jiri ban penrung hak heritage site hak perthei ka ba penlong dak tanan art and culture rangkat ka UNESCO bat ki intouch bolong menta ka avenue tori ki jumang ajab san hasilong ka Jinhi Han kan lech ngo ro ya ka Jingkieng jiri la rangkat ka kan hun jong ki la sha ka sngi ka ong ba ka UNESCO ka khenkor hadu kata kata ya gi spa handai hakan ni ki jinya thil ni workshop la yo ro ya jingkren na Professor David Simley upi sampat kuma principal secretary kitna Cloud nang tau ba Frederick Kakongo principal secretary kitna art culture abakran siklat patai ko bol halu kan ni ka Junhi Han ka ong ba ki Jingkieng jiri ki dai gi ba compare sia ka ong ru ban itu kum ka heritage site klanti kalong ka ba jrong ba ka ba simpor ka ba Snem chiteng ha ka ba ka World Heritage Committee kan examine house name aja apanya
Living Roots is truly unique. And of course, there are other World Heritage property that are entirely managed by the community. For example, I can give an example in Oman and then Persia, in Iran, and there is a traditional water channel system which for irrigation. These are entirely managed by the community, but you see water irrigation system is totally different with the living root. So this is truly unique. And I heard that in the Sikkim area, maybe my colleague can talk better. We also learned that similar bridge making knowledge is in the Sikkim area.
It's by lecture community, but
lecture
it's
community.
A different.
Yeah, but of course we are yet to know a bit better. But this living roots, the type of heritage is truly unique. There has been none of the this root, bridge, which was entirely made by roots. Yeah, in Hela. So actually, it's a long procedure. The procedure itself, it is 1.5 year cycle. So the deadline for the submission falls in beginning of February every year. So if this dossier is submitted to the World Heritage Center in Paris by 4th of February next year, because this year it's already gone, it means it will be, if then Secretariat considers the dossiers is eligible to be examined by the World Heritage Committee, it will then evaluation mission will be sent, and then it can be examined by the World Heritage Committee in 27.
27.
Yeah.
Also, ma'am.
And I have mentored 2 books on the living root bridges. It gives me much pleasure to address this gathering in today's workshop on guiding and preparation of World Heritage Nomination dossier for Jingkieng Jiri, Living Root Bridge Cultural Landscape. I join the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya in welcoming the visiting UNESCO team to our state. Trust, madam, you have a happy and fruitful visit to our abode of clothes. Your site visit tomorrow to several of the living root bridges will be a remarkable trek. I checked on the internet the other day, wondering who was the first person to make a reference to the living root bridges, and it is you. But then we have to find out whether such a phenomenon was also reported in other languages. We are so obsessed to English, and we need to find out from others whether they have also made a reference to the living root bridges.
I also would like to extend my sincere appreciation to the Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, community members, scientists, experts, and government partners who have tirelessly worked over the past several years to conserve and document these living structures. The Living Roots Bridge, or Jingkieng of Meghalaya, are truly unique in the world.
See, I think you must have seen from the presentation like what we have been trying to do. In fact, the project was started way back in 2018, as mentioned. In fact, our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Snem, who actually has got excited when we presented this idea to him that, we have a great proposition to take it to the UNESCO World Heritage status. So he immediately said like, okay, whatever the support that is required, we'll provide for this particular project. So I think with that political supportability, we initiated this project. And really we are following essentially, I would like to tell you, there is a lot of research has been brought in. You must have seen through this project, like the kind of researchers, research institutions that have been engaged to prepare this dossier. And there's a lot of research was happening. At the same time, we also have invested a lot on community participation. This is a very important thing. See, Meghalaya is a state actually which has especially the community governance is there. How to bring that strength into this project. So we in fact deliberately we actually built this project as it is nominated by the communities along with the government. So government is a supporting institution, but it is the communities who are actually bringing this entire idea before the world.